Just because you're married doesn't mean that you don't have sexual boundaries or lagi na lang may sexual consent. So, paano nga ba ito pag-uusapan nang hindi kayo nag-aaway? Tip 1. Use the I feel formula. Imbes na sabihin mo, you're always too rough kasi o kaya ang sakit-sakit kapag madiin. Pwede mong sabihin na, I feel uncomfortable when it gets too rough. Can you do it gently, please? Kapag ganito, less defensive at mas bukas ang usapan. Tip 2. Talk outside the bedroom. Huwag during sex. Kasi kapag during sex, baka mawalan kayo ng gana sa isa't isa. Tapos, So, pwede nyo pag-usapan ng boundaries nyo kapag neutral ang environment. At, kalmado kayo pareho. Tip 3. Sabihin mo what you do want. Hindi lang yung puro, ayoko niyan, huwag mong gawin yan. Ay, tama na! Kasi sobrang nega, diba? So, pwede mong i-try na sabihin, I really like it when I'm on top. Or kapag you go down on me. Doon ako nasasarapan at doon ka magaling. So, pwede bang yun ang gawin mo palagi? And tip number 4, check in regularly. Sexual boundaries kasi can change over time, diba? Nag-iiba-iba yung mga trip natin in life. Kaya mas okay kung tinatanong niyo yung isa't isa kung gusto mo pa rin ba to? O ito? Gusto mo pa rin ba ng blowjob? Or gusto mo ba to be on top palagi? Or is there anything you want less or more lately? This way, mas in sync kayo at magiging mas excited kayo sa isa't isa. Good luck!